Behold, we are the noble thieves. We will take your wealthy to share with the poor. Right, Pappy? Sure, why not? Something else is right there here. Something back to Billy. Oh, hello. Today is my birthday. Oh, when were you born? Just now. Oh, are you my family? There ain't anyone else in this world. Very nice, please. Sure, I can be your family. Hair of Babe Bro. Oh boy, I love you already, new brother. Oh no. Okay, your HP is low, so I don't want you risking any places. Instead, I think you will be a great distraction. No distraction? It's great, so you can be. Try looking up for the biggest shiny stars, like this? Maybe, but I think you'll need to do better if... Oh. Never mind, good job, kid. The Master Noble Thief excels again. Before meeting them, if you don't want to have a bad time, you're storing that information. Hey, I got that. Hang on, haven't you met my bro yet? Nice to meet you. Isn't he the greatest? Made another job for what encourages Mrs. J. Please thank things and it will break my heart if he got hurt in the leg. Ever gonna tell him what you used to do? I don't want to say his half either. Hey guys, it's MLP Vampires 2 or MLP Vampires Liquidated, whatever you want to call me. This is my official first comic job, and I think I've done bad, but I tried. So please don't give me any hate or mean comments, because like I say in my old account before, I will not accept that. I will try and remove them. But apart from that, I am thankful for the people who stuck to me. This is for 190 something subs. I don't know how many rocks in a chest. And this, I always go on YouTube and then it pops up saying you got this many extra subs. My siblings make me check. But apart from that, it's my first sub, and tell the truth, think I've done bad. I don't know. It's up to you guys what you say in the comments. If you say it was awful or something, I'll take it as please don't do another comic dub. If you guys want another one, just tell me what comics you would like me to dub and I'll do it for you. I just need to know which one you need to do and I'll do it for you. Name the comic, name the if it's a ship, name the ship and I'll do it for you. Just easy as that. Thanks guys. Love, bye. Bye.